about you. Everything about you.
Hi, my name is Ilya. I'm doing a trip in the Basque Country. This is the city of Bilbao.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
A few words about this whole trip. Our main destination is Basque Country. Now Basque Country is a region in the north of Spain, but earlier in the past it also included territories in the south of France. And we are going to visit several places of this historical and beautiful region to learn more about it. Bilbao is the largest city of Basque Country, and it is very beautiful. There are modern buildings, there is the old city, there are parks, so I definitely 100% recommend you to visit it.
Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into the night. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you. Like an animal out in the wild, I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into the night. Hear me calling for you, I'm calling for you.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Next video from this trip is going to be about one beautiful and very interesting place, especially for Game of Thrones fans. Bye bye!